Well, welcome back, Denise Wild. Isn't it great?
In the flesh. I can't believe it.
You're real. Yeah.
I'm out of my living room.
Oh, you know, well, we love all the stuff, the DIY stuff that you create in your living room on Zoom the last couple of years, but it's so nice to have you back here creating your magic in our new studios.
It's amazing.
Yes. Summer's here, big time. Kind of hardcore today with the temperatures, but we got to plan a lot of outdoor fun with the kids for this summer.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you've got some great ideas.
I have some fun projects to get outside with the family, things to do outdoors, get everybody outside, and some fun activities that everybody will love.
Okay, and there's a great way to beat the heat with a sundae.
Yes.
Can you make me 1 or 12?
What is summer without ice cream?
Right.
So let's create a sundae bar, all your favorite toppings, all your favorite cones. This is perfect if you're having family over, a whole bunch of people, maybe just a few close friends, but everybody loves a sundae. Just get all of your toppings out. People can help themselves. Everybody will gather around.
Okay.
And let's talk about this amazing beauty. This is the Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker. So you take all of your favorite ingredients. They have a delicious base recipe that you can customize.
Right.
Low sugar, keto, vegan, non-dairy. Then you pour all the ingredients in here, freeze it, and then the Ninja Creamy blends it up into any texture you want. Ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, whatever you want, whatever flavor.
Why isn't this in our new canteen?
And actually, if you go to ninjakitchen.ca, it's on sale right now.
How much?
So, the
I'll pay you anything.
regular price is $2.50, but it is on sale right now.
Okay.
So, yes.
That's amazing. Can we whip something up?
I know. You know what? I was hoping to, but I don't have it plugged in. But anyway, we will eat all.
Well, that's all the time we have, Denise Wild. You had one job. I need a sundae. No, but that's amazing. Wow, that's very cool.
Very fancy.
Okay, so and we'll link up that website at chh.com.
Absolutely.
Okay, this is neat.
Okay, next up, this is a really fun, creative idea. You have an old laundry jug at home, I'm sure, or a milk jug.
That was an old laundry jug? It looks so transformed, I couldn't tell what it was.
So we're making a little fairy house that you can put in your garden. So super cute. I just used some glitter foam paper that I got from the dollar store. I got some fake flowers, some little butterfly stickers, really fun and easy to do, some glittery rocks. And then, you know, you can just let the kids have fun doing this. They will enjoy being outside in the garden. And then when they are outside, of course, you want to protect them from the sun. So these are two brand new products from the Baby Organic Sun Care line. They have a mineral sunscreen lotion and a sunscreen stick. They are water resistant for 80 minutes. They are tear-free, allergen-free, and they are formulated without all that bad stuff that we're trying to avoid. And they are broad spectrum, which means they'll protect your kids from UVA and UVB rays.
Oh, that's some peace of mind.
Yes, yes,
Very
definitely.
important to slather that on first thing.
Right, because we're going to be spending all this time outside.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
All right, now I have a super fun project that you're going to love. You're probably wondering, why do I have paper cups, a balloon, and marshmallows? We are going to make some marshmallow launchers. So you take the balloon, you put the marshmallow in, and then you give it a shot.
Oh, I could launch it into my sundae if you made me one.
It's true. Okay, let's make these together, and then we can have a little marshmallow
fight. So we've got paper cups and an X-Acto knife. What could possibly go wrong?
Start off with that paper cup. You're going to take the small end and just cut out the bottom. Use that X-Acto knife to get around. All the way around. Can we go all the way around? Yes. Let's see who finishes first. Excellent. Once you have that gone.
I'll be right there.
Once you have that gone, you're going to take your balloon and you're going to tie a knot in it.
Oh no! I've had a horrible accident over here, Denise Wild.
Oh my goodness! And I'm dropping ice cream cones. Okay, tie a knot in your balloon. You're going to then cut. Give it a nice little tie. Cut about a third off of the top of your balloon, so that little folded crease part. And then you're going to stretch that.
How much time, Katie?
do we still have time?
I can't work under this pressure.
Stretch the balloon over the large opening of the cup like this. And then there we go. That's it. Okay, you're doing, here, you take this one.
All right.
You take this one.
Okay.
I'll take this one.
Okay.
You put
Ready?
it in,
Aim.
and you launch it. There you go.
That was a dud. But you never are. Thank you, Denise.
Thank you
We'll link
so
up all your
much.
socials at chh.com.